Well, Yoga Guru Ramdev has now had to retract a statement that he made, which essentially was against allopathy and modern medicine. Now, his retraction came after immense pressure from the Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, who wrote a long and scathing letter to him.
On May 22nd, Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev called allopathy a science with no reason, leading to criticism from the members of the medical fraternity, demanding action against the Guru's remarks.
This is in response to the demand of Indian Medical Association and all the good learned colleagues of this country and various other gentlemen. The government, the ministry has taken the right action. I am sure this will ensure a smooth and a coordinated functioning in the days to come.
The Yoga Guru withdrew his comments a few hours after Union Health Minister urged him to withdraw the remark that has hurt the sentiments of India's COVID warriors. The Union Health Minister tweeted, and I quote, "For all the countrymen, the doctors and other health workers fighting against the COVID-19 virus day and night are gods. Baba Ramdev's statement hurt the sentiments of the country by disrespecting the corona warriors. I have written a letter to him asking him to withdraw his objectionable statement." Baba Ramdev has now withdrawn his statement against the science of allopathic medicines. In his retraction, the Yoga Guru acknowledged allopathy's service to mankind, reiterating he had no intention to hurt sentiments of the medical fraternity, while also claiming that Ayurveda and Yoga too has been subjected to bias, with many claiming it to be just pseudoscience. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
There has been a great furor over Baba Ramdev's statement against allopathy. The IMA has actually asked for a legal action against Baba Ramdev. Now the Patanjali founder has actually retracted his statement. And after this, the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, has tweeted that it was great that the Patanjali founder has taken back his statement, and it displays Ramdev's maturity. Moreover, Dr. Vardhan has urged the nation to unite to fight against COVID. Ramdev, who has made several such controversial statements against modern medicine, had claimed that allopathy is a stupid science. So what actually happened which led to this is that on Saturday, while addressing an event, Ramdev had allegedly said that allopathy is a stupid science, and IMA had claimed that Baba Ramdev had called doctors murderers in front of the health minister in the pretext of release of his wonder drugs. Demanding an apology and an action against Ramdev, IMA said that doctors who were saving lives every day were being insulted by the Yoga Guru. In response, Baba Ramdev immediately took out his statement back, and he claimed that he was reading out of a WhatsApp forward message which was received by him and others participating in the private event. He said that he held no grudge against modern medicine or allopathy, and said that Patanjali has been under fire for the wrong reasons. Moreover, he also said that the allopathy doctors also have vilified Ayurveda, and they should also not do so. And Union Health Minister Dr. Vardhan wrote a letter to Ramdev asking him to take back his comment, saying your comment on allopathic medication and doctors has hurt the people of the country. He has Ramdev has also has been under fire for promoting coronal and claiming that it was approved by WHO. These remarks have since then been retracted. Back to you.